Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you have pruning shears or any equipment that you use to take care of your garden, any tool actually, we know that it can get dirty because we're using it to cut trees. We're pruning, right? And then we get sap and we get resin all over our equipment. Well, there is a solution to clean it, and it's a plant resin remover spray from HappyAlley. This is going to be a set. You're going to get a tool lubricant that you can go ahead when you're done cleaning it to go ahead and put on where like the nuts and bolts are to keep everything running smooth. But you can go ahead and clean it with this spray. This will remove sap, tar, dirt, and grime in resin. So I'm going to do a little spray. We'll give it a test here. Let's see. So let's spray some on. All right, let's go ahead and spray some on. Let's see, that was like a couple of squirts. Do this side. Sometimes you can just pour a little on. This is actually feeling smoother. It's getting cleaner. Like I don't feel any resin build up. There you go. Let that soak there for a second. All right, we're going to polish it. Get in there. I do notice a difference here. Like this is now like a lot smoother of a metal. There's no like grimy buildup. There might be just some staining on the metal, which is okay. But as far as being clean and not getting it's a little stuck, but we're going to use our lubricant here soon. You can see it gets stuck. So let's try our lubricant. But this has become a whole lot cleaner. So let's try our lubricant now and see. Push down. Okay, here's our lubricant. It's got a nice little needle nose, which makes it easy for applications. Let's go ahead and put some just everywhere. And again, this is going to prevent rust, corrosion, or water damage. Get it all, anything that's moving. Our moving part, I'm going to go ahead and just drop some lubricant right there. So look, I don't know if you remember, every time I would go down, it would stay down because of all what was in. And look at this, now I have that spring action again. So the lubrication works great. Cleaning it works great, even though it's a little stained. I don't know if it'll remove some of the staining from the metal, but it removed the grime because that was like if I ran my hand across, it was bumpy and you could feel the stuff that was built up on there. And then with the lubrication, following it up with the lubricant, I now have a shear that I can go through and start pruning again. So overall, really nice set to keep your tools functional and clean. So you don't have to run out and buy new tools. You just do this every time you're done doing some gardening, then you'll be good to go. So if you're looking for a way to keep your tools and prevent them from corroding, keeping them clean, check out this set from HappyAlley. Shout out to the company for gifting me this set so I could do this review.